That FOL file is an AOL organizer document, storing folder structures and email organization data from the America Online era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access or migrate this legacy AOL data. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the FOL error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. FOL files are AOL organizer folder structure files, storing email organization hierarchies, personal filing cabinet data, and folder metadata from America Online Desktop software. They define how emails and saved content are categorized within the AOL client interface. AOL FOL files use a proprietary binary format, storing folder names, hierarchy relationships, and pointers to associated PFC Personal Filing Cabinet data files. They are tightly coupled with the AOL Desktop client and require AOL software for native interpretation. This FOL file is handled by the industry standard tool, AOL Desktop from AOL Inc. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows does not render database fields or values, so compatible DB utilities must be used. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your FOL file and click Open With. Test with AOL Desktop if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If the FOL file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the FOL problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, locating the files. Navigate to the AOL application data directory, typically found at C program data AOL, or C yacht users, username dots app data os local yon AOL, to find your FOL files alongside associated PFC Personal Filing Cabinet files containing your actual email messages. Next, extracting email data. Install a legacy version of AOL Desktop or use AOL's email migration tools to export your emails from the FOL and PFC file structure to standard formats. Export emails as EML files or forward them to a modern email account such as Gmail for preservation. Finally, alternative recovery. If AOL software is unavailable, use third-party tools such as Sysbud, AOL Backup, or AID4Mail to parse FOL and PFC files and extract emails to PST-EML or PDF format for import into modern email clients, like Outlook or Thunderbird. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.